In this video, I'll demonstrate effective strategies for promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest while ensuring compliance and maximizing conversions. These methods are widely used by successful affiliates, and I'll guide you through this process step by step for free. Make sure to watch this video closely so you don't miss on important details. Let's not waste any more time and dive into the video. Currently on Pinterest, your feed displays various pins. To effectively utilize the platform for promotion, it's crucial to have a specific niche and angle rather than randomly posting products. Random posting won't yield conversions. My Pinterest account, currently named Aesthetic Art Inside Ideas, is just used for video purposes, so it may benefit from a rebranding to better align with my chosen niche. While you have the flexibility to select any niche, I recommend focusing on main areas such as health, wealth, fashion, or those targeting female demographics, as Pinterest has a significant user base of middle-aged women. This strategic approach enhances the likelihood of success in affiliate marketing on the platform. In this video, I'll guide you through entering the skincare niche on Pinterest and promoting a specific product that I believe has potential on the platform. Feel free to use this strategy for your own endeavors. To begin, you'll need a product. So head over to Amazon.com and I'll be promoting red light therapy pad. We can sort by bestsellers and choose whichever we want. This product right here catched my eye because it has a lot of reviews, and the price is kinda high, so our commission will be also high. Mainly, red light therapy claims to improve your skin's appearance, such as reducing wrinkles, redness, scars, and acne. These machines have proven effectiveness and boast high conversion rates on Pinterest, specifically targeting middle-aged women. Currently priced at $189.99, this product offers a decent commission range of $10 to $20 or even $30, making it an ideal option to promote to our Pinterest audience. Now, the process isn't as straightforward as purely copying and pasting the link. We'll need to take one additional step, which is free. It might require about 15 minutes to set up, but it's crucial for ensuring your account doesn't get banned. To begin, head over to Pinterest. If you're choosing the skincare niche, as I do, the first step is to create or modify your Pinterest profile to reflect this focus. Edit your profile by changing the profile picture and renaming it to something related to skincare. We can use trends.pinterest.com. So let's go to trends.pinterest.com. Trends, not trend. Click on enter and start typing skin, and let's see what we get. So our first option is skincare and the second one is skincare solutions, and we can take a look at this one. Click on this and we get demographic statistics, age, gender, female as I said, and we get popular pins in this niche. And as we are looking at this graph, this skincare solution keyword is gaining quite a lot of interest over time, and it looks like it keeps rising. To me, it looks promising, so I'll rename my profile to skincare solutions. So let's go back to our Pinterest account, click on edit profile and rename it to skincare solutions. Now we need to create a profile image and a banner that suits our niche. I'm not gonna waste a lot of time in this tutorial because I already showed you a couple of times how to make those images in my previous videos, but let's make it quick and use Canva. So simply go to canva.com, click enter, and we can simply type in Pinterest banner, and let's see what we get. So we can choose, for example, this one right here. Click on customize this template. You can change those photos, this text. You can resize, reshape, add graphics, and all kinds of stuff. So I'll just speed this process up and we'll see you in the next step. So I quickly created my Pinterest banner. So now I want to download it. Click on share, download, and download once again. Now we need a profile image. So type in Pinterest logo and choose whichever you like the most. I'm choosing this one, customize this template, and I'll change something here. So my logo will look like this. Once again, click on share, download, and download. Now we need to upload our images. So let's go back to Pinterest, click on change, choose photo, and choose a photo, choose a profile logo that just downloaded. By the way, we can also generate our description, our about section, as you can call. So let's quickly go to ChatGPT and type in create a 100 symbol description for a Pinterest account in skincare solutions niche, including emojis and hashtags. Click on enter and let's see what it gives. Okay, let's click on copy and go back to your Pinterest account and paste it right here. Discover glowing skin secrets, tips, tricks, and DIY remedies for radiant complexion. Okay, this sounds good. Click on save. Go to your account and now we just need to change our banner image. So click on this pen right here. Click on change cover, browse, and choose your image. And just take a look at this one. So I just saw that I couldn't change my profile name, so I'm not sure why, but maybe I changed it too many times and it doesn't let me anymore. I don't know, but it shouldn't be a case for you, so I'll just leave it as this for now because it's my test account, so it doesn't matter, but you have to change your name according to your niche. So once your profile is prepared, the next step is to upload a pin. Navigate to the top left corner, click on create a pin and proceed to create a pin. Importantly, the pin's graphics should resemble other skincare graphics. Bold, attention grabbing, and distinct to stand out effectively. You can take a look at what others are posting on Pinterest in this niche and grab some inspiration from them. Again, we'll head to Canva for the next step. So type in Pinterest. Canva is free online photo editing tool so you can easily access various templates. Once you've searched for Pinterest templates, you'll see a range of options available for customization. Now we can go back to our Pinterest account, click on duplicate and just go to your home feed and let's search what others are posting in this niche. So let's type in skincare solutions, click on enter and see what pins others are posting. Okay, we can see a big bold letters. This one is looking actually kind of good, and maybe we want to make something like this one, how to treat chin blackheads. What else we got? We got 8 skincare ingredients for great skin. This one is good. Also videos usually work pretty good, but in this video we are focusing on images. Now let's create a pin similar to these examples. What makes these pins effective? They typically feature bright colors, bold fonts, and captivating images that immediately catch people's attention. So we'll follow the same approach. Now we need to select a template that we can customize to fit our needs. I'm considering this template over here because it has a background images and editable text that suits our purpose. Other option would be this one. It also has a background image and huge text letters. So Let's go to this one. Click on customize this template, and remember, you can modify any template to match your preferences. So here's our template. Let's begin by editing it. Firstly, let's change a photo. You can find royalty-free images on websites like Unsplash. Let's go to Unsplash and just search for skincare to find suitable pictures, and choose one that grabs attention, like this one. It's bright, eye-catching, so click on this, download free, and it just downloaded this image. Let's go back to Canva and upload this image. Click on uploads, upload files, and upload your image. So now you can just drag this image onto the background, and you can simply resize it by double clicking on it. You can also move it around however you like. So I'll leave it like this right here. I'll delete this number, this graphic, and we maybe put our text box a little bit more up, and our text also maybe make this a bit smaller. Now let's return to Pinterest templates and analyze their captions. For example, how to treat chin blackheads. This one right here. This seems effective. We can take inspiration from it and perhaps check out reviews for potential quotes. However, for this video, let's stick to something similar to the existing template that's already working on Pinterest. How to treat acne in 30 days. What do you think about this one? So let's try changing this up. How to treat acne in 30 days. Let's center our text. Move our background color right here. Maybe make it a bit smaller. What if we can change the font, of course, maybe to impact. Yep, and make those letters a bit bigger. Okay, I'm finished with this one, and I'm not saying this is the best looking and the most effective image I've created by any means, because I'm not a great designer, as you can tell, but it's straight to the point. How to treat acne in 30 days, and you can see a woman in the background. But I'm pretty sure that you can make a better design than me. Now click on share, download, and download. So now let's go to Pinterest and upload our image. Click here and choose our image. While in the past linking product directly worked, Pinterest is now banning accounts for doing so. It's best to avoid this approach. Instead, I recommend creating a landing page. If we examine some pins in the skincare niche, clicking on them often directs you to a website resembling an article about skincare methods. We can adopt a similar strategy by creating a free website using Google Sites and incorporating our affiliate link within this site. This website only needs to consist of a single page, and I'll guide you through setting up in just 5 minutes. Let's see how quickly we can set this up. Click on the blank page, and I'll change our title to How to Treat Acne in 30 Days. Just like this. You can adjust the size, make it bold or whatever, or underline. So now let's head to Unsplash once again and choose an image to use, and choose orientation to landscape. Okay, let's try this one. Go back to Google Sites and upload this image right here. Okay, our landing page is starting to come together. Now we need to write an article on how to treat acne in 30 days and include our affiliate link from Amazon for the product. Writing this article is not a problem. You can either do it yourself or use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that you already used in this video, and this tool also can assist you in generating content. You can ask ChatGPT to write an article explaining how to treat acne in 30 days, focusing on using a red light therapy pad as one of the methods. Click on enter. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to provide an article on treating acne in 30 days, incorporating the use of red light therapy pad. Now that the article is finished writing, we can copy it. Click on copy. Let's head over to Google Sites, and you can drag in some images if you want, but for now I'll just add a text box. Paste your article right here, and it's essential to format this and make it visually appealing. You can highlight and bold the necessary parts, and here's the section mentioning the red light therapy. Okay, so in this tutorial I don't want to waste any more time, so I'll skip the formatting thing, but you must do this and make it visually appealing. So the last thing that's left to do is go to Amazon and copy your affiliate link by clicking on text and copying this link. So basically this line right here only appears if you are already registered to Amazon's associates. So it doesn't take a lot of time. It took me maybe 15 minutes or so. It's not hard. You can do this. Once we copied our affiliate link, go back to our Google Sites, and we have to paste our link in every section that our red light therapy pad is mentioned. For example, in this section right here, highlight this and click on insert link and paste your link right here. You can also highlight this one right here, as I said before, and paste your link in every section where the red light therapy or red light therapy pad is mentioned. Now, as we prepare to publish this guide, we can provide it with a web address to make it easily accessible for people to find skincare solutions. So let's click on publish. Finding an available domain in this niche might be challenging, but once you secure it, simply click on publish and your website will go live. To preview it, navigate to the top right corner and select view published site. Alright, now we have our how to treat acne in 30 days article with the affiliate link set up to redirect to Amazon. So let's test it by clicking on it, and it should take us to amazon.com through our affiliate link for the product. Perfect. Everything seems to be in order. Go back to our Pinterest account. Now we have to add title. You want to capture attention with something like how to treat acne in 30 days or whatever your title is. We also need about section, so go back to our ChatGPT. We can actually copy this text right here and change a couple of things. So maybe create a 200 symbol description for a Pinterest pin about how to treat acne in 30 days, including emojis and hashtags. Click on enter and copy this text. Go back to our Pinterest account, paste this right here, and copy our affiliate link. Actually, not the affiliate link, but the Google Sites website, and paste it in the destination link area right here. Once you filled in all the details, click on publish and your pin will go live. Of course, we can create a board, for example, skincare, create a board, create, and publish. So when users click on your pin title, how to treat acne in 30 days, it will direct them to your Google Sites page. This approach prevents you from getting banned for spamming affiliate links. Inside your Google Sites blog post, you've incorporated affiliate link. Then visitors click on it and make a purchase from Amazon, you'll earn a commission. This will finish up this video. I hope you found value in this one. I tried my best to lead you through each step. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Hit the like button and comment if you have any questions. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. I have some great videos coming. See you in the next one.